Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook malunggay with sardines. This dish is incredibly simple, affordable, and packed with nutrients, making it a perfect meal for any day. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 can of sardines in tomato sauce, approximately 1 cup of fresh malunggay leaves, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil ready, along with half a cup of water, and salt and pepper to taste. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's quickly prepare them. First, peel and finely chop your 2 cloves of garlic and 1 medium onion. Next, carefully strip about 1 cup of fresh malunggay leaves from their stems, ensuring they are clean. Finally, open your can of sardines and have it ready to add to the pan. This minimal preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process, setting you up for a delicious and easy meal. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, sauté the chopped garlic and onion until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 1 minute. Next, add the entire can of sardines and half a cup of water, letting it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, stir in the fresh malunggay leaves and cook for just 1 to 2 more minutes until they are tender. Your delicious malunggay with sardines is now ready. Before serving, taste and season with salt and ground black pepper to your liking. This dish is best enjoyed hot, served immediately with a generous portion of steamed rice. It's a wonderfully simple, yet incredibly nutritious meal, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Enjoy this comforting and healthy Filipino staple.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.